Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Có gì mà lại?
Thế này đó.
Đấy là miêu. Anh. Sure. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Nivedha Kannan, organizer English Press. Welcome you to the annual press conference of Malhar 2018. Thank you all for joining us today. I would now like to invite our Father Rector, Dr. Keith D'Souza, to come up on stage, please. Our Vice Principal for Malhar 2018, Gauri Saxena. Our Vice Chairperson for Malhar 2018, Amita Maliekar.
In Western instrumental, and I played a piano boogie for that competition. Down the line, I went up to organization, and there was also in Malhar while I was at St. Xavier's. Malhar 40 is opening itself out to a larger event of the college. As already has been mentioned by the MC, it is the 150th year of St. Xavier's College, which we have just begun. We have Malhar is opening the whole lineup of buzz events for the 150th year. And so when we were planning this, we said we have to get back alumni of Malhar, those who participated, whom we hope to get back. Amita will be telling you more about the conference later on. Our main key event.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the press conference for Malhar 2018. 4 decades ago.
What she thinks of Malhar and her insight on this esteemed lineup.
It's a really eminent list of people there. You guys are really lucky. But thanks for having me. That's what I wanted to say first and foremost. Thank you, Charlotte, for inviting me and for all of you to agree to have me. I haven't been able to come back to college as often as I would like to, but this is a great opportunity. I've spent 5 of the most formative years of my life here on this campus, right from FYJC all the way through. And I think that those years have defined who I've become today. I kind of came into my own, started off as a complete freshman, had no idea, had no direction, was like a headless chicken, and then now here I am today. And I have a long way to go, but at least I'm not where I began. So, I mean, it's been a pleasure to be at Xavier's, and I feel that what's most special about it is that besides the academics, which of course, you know, we give a lot of importance to, and we have the best faculty in the country, but besides that, Xavier's has always given a lot of focus on extracurricular activities and overall development, which I feel is what sets it apart from, you know, other colleges out there. And that is what has made me who I am today. I remember when I first joined college in FYJC, everybody used to say, oh, she's the tallest girl, let's put her in every fashion show that there was. And I, at that point, was so intimidated by anything remotely that was in the spotlight that I used to shy away from it and say, I'm tall, but I mean, I have nothing else. Like, I have no makings of a model. Because I didn't. I mean, I was this gawky, awkward teenager, and, you know, like all teenagers are. And, you know, I had no idea how to walk the ramp. Anything that put me in the spotlight would make me run the opposite direction. So I said, there's no way I'm doing this. But, you know, the committee said, no, give it a shot, come for one of the rehearsals, and then if you really don't like it, you can drop out. So I said, okay, fine. I had the option of dropping out. So I went for one of the rehearsals, and since then I did every single fashion show that there was in college. And who knew at that time, 4 years down the line, I was going to be a professional model? I had no idea. But it happened. And so what I'm saying is that, I mean, this is just a really small little example, but Xavier's really does throw opportunities at you, and if you don't grab them, if you don't take them, you're losing out. So it's important to be part of every debate, discussion, whether it's sports or if it's dance or music or even participating in Malhar, because you never know the potential that you have, and you only realize it along the way. Once you try your hand at different things. So I have a lot to thank Xavier's for. I participated in about 3 Malhars out of the 5 that I was here for. The first time I was in a department called Performances Incorporated, which was Pink, which I don't think exists anymore. Does it exist? No. Because I think that was the last year that Pink was around. And they used to organize the college, the music nights. I think it was like a concert night. Yeah, the most exciting. And at that time we got KK, I remember, to come and perform. I don't know if you guys are familiar with him, but he was a rage back then. The biggest hits, and it was the most exciting time because we got to meet KK, and we got to witness this super performance in the night on the basketball court, if I remember right. And I was so excited. And of course, at that time I was a junior, so what did they make me do? They made me dress up as a witch with a witch cap, and we stirred this huge pot right next to the stage. I don't know for what reason. I have no idea what the witch had to do with KK or what the pot had to do with any of this, but I was like, I'm going to put my 100% into this and become the best witch pot stirrer, which I don't think anybody ever remembered after that, but I have pictures for proof. Second year I said, okay, this time I'm going to do something a little cooler. So I decided to join the technical department, commonly called Tech. TEXXXXXX or something like that. Are you guys still around? Yes, yeah. So lights and sound, and I'm going to become like this really cool, master at putting music systems together, and they're going to teach me all these things. But of course I was a junior again, so I was told to carry this wire from that end of the campus to the other end and bring some 2 speakers, and it was all the up and down running around work. But I still got to learn a lot. And finally in my last year I said, now I'm a senior, finally, I'm going to be cool about this. And I'm going to join the chilled most department that doesn't have much to do, but you get to walk around with a chip on your shoulder and the also everyone's scared of you. So security. So I was in the security department. I have no idea what makes, now when I look back, I was like, okay, we had crisp people, literally feeling up people up and down for most of the day, and maybe hoping that somebody would walk in with some suspicious item that we could then create some drama about and say, you're not allowed into Xavier's if you're going to carry this on you, and nothing of that ever happened. But it was fun, and we got to just mix and interact with so many different people, seniors, juniors, it didn't matter, otherwise you're only amongst the people of your class. So it was just an overall development which the person that I am today, I feel the confidence that I gained when I was in college, the reason I'm able to do what I am doing today, I didn't know modeling would finally lead to acting, and here I am, and I have a long way to go, but the reason I am who I am today is because of Xavier's, because those were the most special years of my life. And I would also say that the friendships that I formed in those 5 years being here, they're still the best friends that I have today are friends from college. So, all I want to say to you guys is that you're really lucky to be here in an institute such as Xavier's, and make good use of it. Of course, your bunking of classes and all that, which we all did, but don't. But make sure you balance it out and take part in all the activities that you can. Broaden your horizons, because that's what it does. Participate in all the debates and the discussions, whatever you can. I think just do as much as you can, because it betters you for later, and it just gives you experiences that you can look back at, and it will help you somewhere along the way. So grab every opportunity that comes your way, and thank your stars that you're at Xavier's.
Thank you, Dana. The floor is now open for an interactive session with our chief guest. We would kindly request you to ask her questions pertaining to Malhar and this college. We would highly appreciate it if you refrain from asking her any personal questions. Thank you.
To answer questions on Malhar? Okay. I don't know what goes on anymore. I was really hoping that you wouldn't mention what batch I graduated from. So I let them think I'm younger than that. But anyway. What questions do you have for me? See, nobody has any questions for me. But somebody was raising their hands when I said pink.
I'm happy you were pink. Yeah.
Huh?
I'm really happy you were pink because yeah.
Oh, you get.
We are performing our.
Oh. How many pink and how many security and how many techs? Who's doing?
Okay, so I'm Indian performing arts and she's.
So can you mention between Indian performing arts and Western performing arts?
Yeah. So basically we organize events which are
Performance based.
very
Yeah.
performance based, like Indian aspects. Yeah.
So and who's the technical team here? Lots of girls. I like it. And now for security. I know you're security. Nice. All the seniors only get to join security or something like that. Only seniors, no, for security.
No.
I will make it equal and fair for all. Questions? Okay.
So since you were actively participating in Malhar for 3 years, what was your favorite Malhar moment?
I think the KK concert was my favorite one. I was full fangirl at that point. And yeah. If any, I have those pictures, nobody else discovers them. But I was made to stand in the corridor right next to the hall, outside the hall, and stir a large pot of imaginary broth, while KK crooned away in the background.
Was it a Harry Potter theme that year?
No, I don't think. No. I don't think Harry Potter was around. I don't know what it was, but yeah, that's what I did. Anybody else? What are you guys doing for Malhar this time? I mean, is anything special? I've noticed the concerts are back.
Yeah.
Because that stopped in between for a while. All over again.
Which department would you choose this time?
What are the departments? All the same or any new? That's a tough one. Yeah, okay, pink, maybe. I also at one point wanted to join there used to be a computer department. Right? So I had a lot of friends in the... And I was probably the only one at that, I mean the only woman I think at that point that had learned Photoshop properly. So I was gonna be part of it. But then I think text happened instead. Also kind of restricted to the computer lab, no?
Yeah.
So it didn't seem as exciting back in the day.
So what were the skills that you learned from Malhar that are still applicable to you, like today?
I mean, as I pointed out, I was only stirring a pot and carrying things up and down. So, but I think the most important, I think, would be learning to work as a team. And it doesn't matter who's senior and who's junior. Once you're within the team, you have OGs, right, and volunteers, and it didn't matter beyond the point. It's good, in fact, to start off by doing the running around and making sure you should basically be able to put your hand at everything, right? So you start off with the more, work-heavy stuff, and then as you move on, you become more senior to know what you're doing. You can then, direct people to do things, and it should be a healthy working environment, which is what I learned actually. Working as a team is one of the main, because later on I was in BMM. And there's a lot of group projects that happen when you're a student at BMM. So we always had to work as a team. And I think that's one of the most important things that I learned back then. And of course you get to interact with a lot of different people, different ages, spanning from FYJC to the senior year. So I think it's like an overall development that happens without you even realizing it. And I did learn something about, what a jack is and like what are those SLR to jack and something and I actually can put things together from my tech experience.
Thank you.
Malhar for you? Like even after all these years, what brings you back?
It was just an exciting vibe and time, and we used to work sometimes through the night. I don't know whether that's allowed anymore, but we used to. I mean, we really just gave it our all. And so while it was also a really fun time because we got to spend time with our friends and the new friends we had made and the groups that we were in, we also did a lot of productive work, I feel. And to pull off something, it was in those days, and I'm sure still is one of the biggest inter-college festivals, which requires a certain amount of production, and behind the scenes and, a few days of planning and, a few months of planning, but a few days of actually putting things together and building stages and, getting the music set up right and organizing, and it did take a lot. So I feel that when I think back now, I have in fact one whole shelf of my cupboard only has my Malhar t-shirts of all the different colors, of all the different years, in all the different departments. I still have those t-shirts. So every time I open my cupboard and I look at those, I remember Malhar.
So all of us have this one favorite professor that is most approachable and that we remember even after going out of college. So who is that one professor for you?
Miss Linda. Yeah, she used to be my psychology teacher. Yeah, so she was like one of my most favorite teachers. And then I remember Miss Pratibha, who was political science, who I dreaded because she was so strict. But she was such a good teacher, but she was just so strict that every time she entered the class, I think everybody was so petrified that there would be pin drop silence. So I will never forget her because of that. And I always used to admire her immaculate dressing.
Does anyone from the press have any questions?
Is anyone from BMM here?
अरे मैम हाथ हो गया ना अच्छा
आप लोग को टेक्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट में होना चाहिए टीच यू हाउ टू मेक द माइक्स वर्क बहुत सारे memories have like literally just come back to me when I was walking into the college for the first time after 12 long years. I just felt, it just took me back completely, and I feel really overwhelmed, and I just want to thank Xavier's for having me here today. Actually, पहली बार मैं performances department में थी. So they used to organize all the concerts and the performances and performing arts. फिर दूसरी बार technicals department में थी जो lights and sound and वगैरह वगैरह organize करते हैं. And then तीसरी बार security में थी क्योंकि वो बहुत cool था back in college. So yeah, those are 3, and out of 5 years I think I did 3 Malhars. बहुत सारे फैशन शोज़ में थी मैं. हाँ बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग दैट उसके पहले मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मैं मॉडल बन सकूँ या नहीं, एंड आई डिडंट इवन रियली हैव एन इंटरेस्ट. लेकिन आफ्टर डूइंग सो मेनी कॉलेज फैशन शोज़ आई डेवलप्ड अ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड आई वेंट ऑन टू बिकम अ मॉडल. हैप्पी फिर भाग जाएगी अगस्त में रिलीज़ होने वाली है 24 अगस्त को, और ट्रेलर अब 25 जुलाई रिलीज़ होने वाला है, और इस बार 2 है, बट दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से. थैंक यू.
लंबे लंबे बाल.
Can I come